In this video, I will show you how to download Microsoft Word. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are. As you can see on my desktop, I've currently got Microsoft Word opened. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to a website which is called office.com. Now on here, you're going to see the option to get Microsoft 365. So Microsoft 365 is the name of the Office suite, so it does contain like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and some other apps you can use. Now there's actually two versions of Microsoft 365. To actually download and install the apps related to Microsoft 365, so like Microsoft Word and Excel and things like that, what you need to do is click this button here, and it's actually a paid subscription. So you can choose to pay yearly or monthly, and of course it gives you access to all these different apps. But you can also use it for free as well. It's just the difference is you cannot download this onto your PC. The free version is like a web-based version. So if we come back to this screen, you can see underneath it says sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. So if you want to sign up for the free version, you can click here, and what it's going to do is get you through the account creation process. So you would just go through, create your account, and then have access to 365. But as mentioned, if you want to download and install Microsoft Word, then you do need to pay for it, either monthly or yearly, which you can choose the different options from here and find out some more information. But you just basically go through and click on to buy now, and once you've gone ahead and purchased a plan, you'll then be able to go ahead and download that onto your PC. So once you've downloaded it, you'll just need to install Microsoft 365, and after doing that, you'll then have access to things like Microsoft Word or Excel, which you can find by using, of course, the search box. And as you can see, here is Microsoft Word here. So that is how to download Microsoft Word. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.